Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is viral disease. First viral disease, which is parvoviridae. Erythrovirus is the human pathogen cause less like rash that lasts a few days. Children 4 to 10 years old most affected. Transmission occur during incubation period, no longer infection by the appearance of the rest. Generally, viral disease causes by the viruses. Second one is papillomaviridae. This disease causes by the papilloma virus, and the symptoms are skin warts and genital warts. Various strains of the human papilloma virus each have preference of the different body sites. Grouped into two main categories like cutaneous and the mucosal. Incubation can be up to 2 years before sign or symptom are detected. Genome can persist in the cell for years without outward sign. Early genes stimulate proliferation of the basal cells which cause the papilloma, visible tissue or the wart. Cutaneous transmission through the skin and the common picked up from wet floors of the public swimming pools and the bathrooms. Subsequent spreading through the scratching, picking, digging or the wart. Wart regresses spontaneously. Cryotherapy, which is freezing with the liquid nitrogen or the injectable anti-cancer drugs are occasionally effective. Mucosal can cause cancer by the inactivation tumor suppressor gene product. The tumor suppressor gene prevent the uncontrolled growth of the cells. When it functions is the compromised, uncontrolled cell growth is allowed causing tumor. Cervical may develop 20 to 50-year post-infection because of the genome of the virus persistence in the infected cells. And the treatments by the laser or the surgery. Vaccinations is the currently testing vaccination against mucosal strains. Herpes viridae, two types of herpes simplex viruses. Herpes simplex viruses, one is the cold sores shed in the saliva, contaminated hands, eating utensils, and her, herpes simplex virus 2, sexual intercourse through infected birth canal of the infant, and chickenpox shingles to the covered by the group present. And sign and symptoms are infection causes by the small painful blister. Fluid in the blister may be color clear or cloudy. The area under the blister will be red. The blister break open too so easily so that they quickly become open sores. Kelly severidae, which is caused by the Norwalk virus, responsible for most gastroenteritis causes. Signs and symptoms are mild fever, nausea, vomiting, milk, and transmission from the contacted with the infected body fluids. And the prevention are wash your hands frequently. Pico picornavirida, which is caused by the poliovirus will be and the enteroviruses commonly infected children produce the lifelong immunity can causes carditis rashes, sometimes cold or sore throats during summer as the well of different types of diseases transmitted mainly by the close contact by fecal oral route and the droplets. Rhinoviruses, over 100 different rhinoviruses which causes 50% of all cause. No possibility for the vaccination yet. 3 to 4 types circulate among communities simultaneously. Virus shed is the nasal secretion for the 3 to 4 days, and the transmission by the sneezing, coughing, the contamination of handkerchiefs. Hepatitis A, which is similar symptoms of the hepatitis B, and it has a three phases: pre-citric phases, acitric phases, and the covalent phases. Transmission by the oral fecal route. virus pass in the feces of the infected person. It is transmitted when the infected individual fails to the wash his hand after going to the bathrooms, and the multiples in the intestinal cells before the entering bloodstream and the infected liver. Influenza sign and symptoms are fever, sore throat, non-productive cough, and the headache, malaria. Last 3 to 4 days. Complication depends on the age of the patient. Possible pneumonia, middle ear infection, and the secondary bacterial infections. Transmission by the droplet for the sneezing, coughing, short incubation period, antigen frequent mutant causing by the new strains. This is called as the antigenic shift. Influenza type A undergoes and the antigenic shift every 10 to 14 years. Flu reasons the generally. So this is all about the viral disease, which is the caused by the different, and we have discussed about the different kinds of virus and its transmission and the treatment. Thank you.